Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo A98 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down in order to find additional settings. Then let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see we've got two different options. Before we will set the gestures, which are right here, just a quick disclaimer about the buttons. If you'd like to stay with this option applied, here you can customize it so you can reorder the back button and the resets. So first of all, in order to set the gestures, we have to tap on this option. Your device would like to show you the tutorial, however I don't want to go through it as I already know how to use the gestures and I will explain it to you. First of all, you can see that we do not have the three buttons right here at the bottom of the screen. Instead, we've got this line which is responsible for particular gestures. If you prefer kind of a clean look, you can hide it, so just turn on the first option and as you can see it will disappear. You can also customize the gestures. You can decide whether you want to feel the vibration on the back navigation. You can switch to the previous apps. You can mistouch the preventions, and here you can learn the gestures, so run the tutorial. Here we've got also the sensitivity for the back gesture, and I highly recommend to basically get back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so you will be able to decide whether you want the sensitivity to be higher or lower, up to you. Alright, so just a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. It's really easy. If you want to get back to the previous page, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device until you will see this arrow, and after releasing the finger you will go back, and the same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, then simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it fastly. It should be a short motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the motion, but it should be longer, and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.